If you're having trouble importing a shared link, this is how you paste the code and get the indicator going. We're currently working on the volume spike indicator, so be aware of the name of the script you are installing so you can name it. So you click Studies, Edit Studies, click this Create tab, click this ThinkScript Editor tab, delete what's in here, paste the code, and it should have no errors down here at the bottom. So this code's working fine, and this happens to be the volume spike code. Just going to call it volume spike. I'm going to call this one number 14 because I don't know how many I have. So then you have the code there and you've imported it successfully. You click Apply and OK. And then in your watch list, you still have to install it in your watch list. This is it right here. So there's a little tiny gear icon here. You hit Customize, and we called it Volume Spike number 14. Well, I'm not seeing it over there. Let's see where it went. Anyway, you would look for volume spike number 14. You move it over to this column here by either selecting it and add item, then moving up to where you want it to appear. You can remove this one. You move it up to where you want it to appear. I put mine up there by the Momo, and then you click OK, and it will appear in this column. And you're going to do the same thing with the momentum. It's the same setup, same install, same button, and that's how you do it. Thank you.